Hey, what's up my friends? There are two crucial things that I think you need to know about this air gun before you spend your money on it. I'm gonna talk about those two things in just a second, but first, let's talk about what it is, what it's like to actually use it and the accessories that come with it. This is a rechargeable air gun. You recharge it with a USB-C cord. That's right here on the back side of the handle. It does come with a charging cord. It's only about 1 foot long. And it's your standard charging cord. It's a USB-C with a USB-A, and it does not come with a power brick, just know that. This air gun takes about 1.5 hours to 2 hours to recharge if the battery's been fully depleted, but it provides hours of use on a single charge. They advertise this thing as an air duster, and honestly, that's only scratching the surface of what it can actually do and what we actually use it for. So yes, it is a great air duster. We'll use it on keyboards, on our television, other electronics. I use it on my record player because that needs to be dusted off often, but I don't want to get in there with rags and damage the needle or anything. So anything that's sensitive, this is really good. There's also a couple settings that you can use on this that make it a bit more versatile as well, and I'm going to talk about those in just a second. But first, I just want to show you quickly the accessories that come with this. So these are the nozzles right here, and that's the majority of the accessories that come are different nozzles. There is 2 different parts to this. So this is the blower side, and this is the intake right here. So air actually comes into this, which is actually useful for a couple of different things that I'll talk about in just a second too. This is kind of the standard attachment that it comes with. It's an air concentrator, has this opening right here and a little bit of a length to it. There's another one right here. It's a little bit wider opening and there's no nozzle or length to it. So this is gonna be more for like your open air, things that you can get to really easy, like a keyboard, stuff like that, that you don't need reach. Each of these right here are going to provide some reach if you need to get down into a crack or crevice or something like that. We love to use this thing to detail our cars because of all those deep cracks and crevices, and we can blow all the crumbs out of it and then just vacuum them right up. This one in particular really gets in, it's a nice reach. It concentrates the air to a very small surface, so it gets really powerful. This gun, this air gun gets really powerful, and I'm gonna show you that as well. This one is super useful. This is an inflator. So when you have pool toys or inner tubes or balls or something like that that needs to be inflated, to be able to put that thing in the little spot that you blow on and almost kill yourself, this thing works so nicely. It's so nice to not get all lightheaded, and you know all the pains of that as well. Now you also have this flat one. This is another really nice tool for car detailing. We also use it to get like in the transition in our homes between carpet and hardwood or tile, and that crack that's really tough to vacuum out. We can put this thing down in there. It is angled just like this. So we can put that thing down in there and blow all those crumbs out and then vacuum them up. It's super nice. So I just want to show you how you actually operate this thing. You just put the attachments on by pushing them in, giving them a little twist. They hold really tightly and in place. So you have the power button right here on the back of the handle. That's really nice because when you have it in a drawer or something like that, you don't want the trigger to actually get pushed and it runs out of batteries or blows everything around or whatever. I've had other ones that do that. So this is really nice that there's a separate power button from the actual trigger. So as soon as I push that and hold it down, it's a safety feature, so it's not going to turn on accidentally. It shows you what level it's at. So right now it's at the highest level. So the trigger, if I were to push the trigger right now, it would be the highest level of air. And then I would push the power button again to change the level, which is also really nice because you can know what level you're blowing at before you turn it on. So if you are blowing off something sensitive like the record player or something like that, and you need that lower setting, you're not gonna blast it away right away. So you want to choose your level. Once you've chose your level, then you can pull the trigger, and I'm going to do that. It's going to be really loud, but I'm going to pull we're on the highest level, pull the trigger, and it has to be held while the air gun is running. So you hold the trigger down to run it, and you can hear how much air is coming out. Even when I just did that, it blew my blinds. There's so much air coming out. I'm gonna demonstrate it on my cheek because that's the easiest place to see it. but you can see the force that's coming out of this gun. It is so powerful, so helpful, dusting things off, blowing things off, cleaning, all of it. It's a multi-use tool. We have absolutely loved having this air gun around. It's been super helpful. I hope you like it as much as we do. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.